guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You guys might be wondering why I've been doing so many business videos lately, and that is because I have expanded my business, Goddess of Herbs. You guys can check out that link right here, and I'll put it in the description below, where I make and sell herbal remedies and natural products as well as crystals and jewelry. And lately, my business has been booming so much that I decided to add another 25 herbs. This led me to need more room in my 8x8 office inside my tiny house in order to expand and to still be comfortable working and living within this area. I had to purchase another bin to hold all of my herbs, and we're going to reorganize all of those today and put all of the herbs that are sitting over on my couch in a new home. I already took out the ladder, and this brown bin will go behind the ladder. I'm gonna lose a little bit of room in the office, but it is what it is. When I get my land, hopefully we can take this office out of here, put it in another building, and then declutter this whole 8x8 space and then turn it into a living area. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. This is the brown container that I keep about 60 to 70 different herbs in. I needed to purchase another one so that I can put all of these herbs that have been chilling over here away so that I can have my living area back. What we're going to do is be taking out all of the herbs and be recategorizing them into these two brown bins. That brown bin will stay there and this one will go behind the ladder. All right, now as I clean out this drawer, we might be consolidating some of the herbs, but we also have to put them in alphabetical order so that I can get to them easier. So I'm going to be taking them all out and re-alphabetizing them so that they're all in one place, because right now I have all the new herbs over there and they're not within the alphabetical order of these herbs. Gonna get stuffy in here. It's gonna get really crowded because I don't have a lot of room to put all this stuff. Not a lot of room. But the expansion was important to me, so I needed to make sure that this could happen. Presently, I am printing out all of my dry herbs. This is going to help me be able to alphabetize them better within these two cabinets. Here's the list. I have also highlighted all of the ones that we're going to be putting in here. I'm going to be putting the contents of these two boxes on the counter as well, just so there's some hidden in there that are A's, B's, and C's. I'm going to do that now. Found eucalyptus, so I'm going to bring that over there. Cinnamon chips. Lots of freaking herbs. I have like over 100. Right now I'm just hunting for the ABCs, anything that's going to go in that first drawer. I have over 350 products, and all of these herbs that are in here are 1 pound. There's 100 of those, so now imagine all of those fitting in my office, and that's why I had to expand. Imagine all of those times 6, because I put them in 1 ounce bags, but I put those up on my walls. There is a space for everything, so if you do decide to have a business in your tiny house, just plan it for everything to fit. Put storage in there. many herbs, my gosh. I'm also marking down which ones I don't have so that I can order those. I'm usually really good with that. We have lots to go. So we are only on the H's, moving on to the second bin, so I don't know if all of these are gonna fit, and we're gonna have to figure out what to do if they don't fit, unfortunately, but well, we have run out of room. Okay, so we have a good amount of herbs left. We have this one that's empty and this one that has overstock of my bestseller. So we're actually going to try to move the bestsellers over to where I keep the original ones. And then we'll have 2 extra bins to put. I keep some of them in here and I keep some in there. So once we clear out those, I'm going to be able to put those in there, and then that will leave me a little bit of space for the other herbs that we couldn't fit in these brown containers. There's still a few that will not fit in there. There's nothing that we can do. I think I'm going to decide not to add any more dry herbs for right now because I do not have any more room for them. But let's put back up the ladder and I'm going to show you what the space looks like now with this extra container in here. Now my office chair is a little crowded back here. There's only a little bit of space in here now, but it does look like I'll be able to pull it out and still have some room there. Another difference is it kind of makes the space look closed in a little bit more. You kind of can't see it, but you kind of can. So that did not go as I planned. I expected to basically put all of the ones in the living area in those 2 boxes inside these 2 plastic containers, but that didn't work out so well. And I think one of the reasons is because I had A's, B's, and C's in the box, which pushed some of the later letters in the alphabet into the next plastic container. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best. See you in the next video. Quick break. I think I miscalculated when it came to how many could fit in each little pull-out drawer. Not only that, but I don't remember what I was going to say. Think of 100 herbs times, or think of 100 herbs times, I don't know what I'm trying to say.